Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Tech with Fatima Ali. I hope you're all doing great. I've been busy week, and since we are having our blessed month Ramadan, so it's been time that I've been uploaded. I haven't uploaded the tutorial on anything, so today I have a little different tutorial as I was doing Scratch, and we will keep on doing Scratch as well. But for a little change, how about if we move on to a Thunkable project? Thunkable is actually a platform where Thunkable is actually a platform where you're going to make applications. You can upload them on Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, and these are for like children who can make and learn. Even grown-ups who doesn't have an idea or background of coding, they want to start, they can do that too, but it's basically for children and teenagers. So since my programming, coding, and these tutorials are from the very basic, then obviously we will move on to you know expert level. For pro level, we'll be doing much heavy projects in coming days and some days, and like Python, Java, and other Roblox and other heavy softwares. We're going to create applications on Android Studio. And if in future if I get an Apple laptop, which I don't, then we will be doing the Apple programming and everything in the MacBook or something like that for Apple. And we will be using Swift for the language of for Apple. Obviously, it's use Swift. Right now, let's just focus on the Thunkable project. And this is open. This is in a shopping websites. The application is open over here on Thunkable. You can go to Thunkable over here and create your. That's what you call. See, if I draw this for you, you can log in if you have an account. You can sign up, or you can do any of it, and that's where you begin. And then you'll come up to a page after your account is created, just like mine is created, and you can see over here I have already signed up, so I'm going to go create a application. But for now, I'm going to show you what is this about. This is a thinkable.com project some made by me and some other people as well. They also make it, and I made it also. So this is for you, and we can design it a little different as well. We can do this one same as it is, same colors, same textings, or you can change the everything, design, and choose it yourself. So we have a text box here and a image, and we have some buttons over here which says Amazon, Flipkart, AG, or Mindra. These are shopping websites. So let's just preview for you. And what does this button do? Okay, this is a very basic thing. If I click on Amazon, what is it doing? It's redirecting.
Redirecting to Amazon.
Yes, it says also, and it does. It does also. It takes me to the Amazon.com by saying redirecting to Amazon. Same goes with Flipkart.
Redirecting to Flipkart.
See, and the Flipkart website will open for you guys. It's very easy and convenient for the people who are unable to find exact websites. They can have it in one go. All the shopping
Redirecting
websites
to Asia.
you can add them in one application related to all the clothing or any shopping websites. Even for groceries, you can make it different, and you may find it. And for Myntra, it's also a very famous.
Redirecting to Mintra.
It's more like Indian or something, but these are okay. So as you can see, this is an application. You can create as many buttons as you like, but for the basic idea, we are going to go with the four, and we're just going to start. So let's just start and create clear these for you. Okay, I'm gonna save it and we're going to go create a button and let's name it shopping websites app or e-commerce websites, anything. And you can write shopping from the category. Make sure you use drag and drop builder because I forgot to tell you in Thunkable you can use drag and drop for children. It's easy because they cannot write codes, and if you untick this one, you have to use your own coding. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to use drag and drop builder, and let's just create it. Okay, we are here on the empty page, and let me tell you what are these things first. Before we create something, I'll just leave that. It's a really new project over here. Just a second. Hmm. Okay, give me a second. All right, let me explain it to you. What are these things and what are we going to do? Here you can see a screen. It's an empty screen, right? This is nothing over here. We are going to design our user interface, whatever we want to do it. We're going to do it over here. Okay. So okay. Over here we have some components. These are known as components, and these components are the designing components which we will be using, like button, label for our labels, image, text input for our text, list view group, and these you will be learning further about it in other detailed classes. Just give me a second. I'll scroll it down a little bit. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So you can see there are so many categories, so many components actually to use from, and checkbox, video. You can use canvas, loading icon to load something, waiting, and so much more. And you can add more in the screens. Okay, from here you can add more screens if you want. Create a new screen, add a navigator, and you can navigate them easily because it's drag and drop. Uh, Drag and drop coding. So we don't have to do it internally by coding it. We can drag and drop. It's a drag and drop builder. And here we have some data from our sources. And let me clear this out. Assets for media files, which we will be using, and all that. Help center, exactly. So we focus on this one. Now, since we have an empty screen, on your right side, what do we have on our right side is our properties for a specific thing. Like if we have a button, we will have its properties over here, and we can make changes into the design and size and color and everything according to that. Since we are in the screen one right now, so we are going to change a background color. It's white, so we're going to by default, and we are going to choose another color. So let's go to my mouse and select a color, and let's make something blue. And okay, that's fine, that's better. So here is that. And now what we are going to do, these are like for selecting, and that's pan, and this is zoom in, zoom out, and that's focus on a specific area. So this is a web preview button which you can play your application, how it is going to work. Show this way. Okay. And these you can download or you can share or you can just share them. Okay, these are the buttons. Over here you have a design and over here you have blocks. What is this? Design is this part, the user interface. And the blocks will be the one where we will be using our codings. Okay, So let's just move on and let me clear out these. Let's move on to our design. First, we need a label. Why we need a label for our application? We're just going to drag and drop like that. And we can change the label name as well, rename it. And let's write shopping. Simple give, simple give a heading, but it will not change it over here. Why? Because it will change in the text. So you're going to write it in the text. Shopping, or you can keep it capital, or you can keep it with lower caps. Websites, okay. Shopping websites, and make sure you can just align it. And there you go. You can change the color for the text and make it like a little older, and you can change the font style and everything, or the size of the, make it like before, and over here you'll see, yeah, I think that's better. Okay, since, okay, that's better now. All right, never mind. So we have this, and we have the properties: font style, font weight. These are the properties which you can change. And decoration line, you can give it something like underline, or you can give it line through, or you can give some underline through, but we don't need anything, so that's going to be none. Decoration is like for solid double dashed, and it's just something like that. Anyways, the color and everything, and the size and the width and everything for a label, that are, these are the actual properties of it. Now moving on, we need an image. What we need, an image. For image, what we are going to do is for the file source. Again, we are moving on to our this. Okay, just leave it image one, because there's just one image in this whole application that's we're designing for today. The im- we are going to upload some files or type in the URL, and we are going to get it from our Google. Okay, and these are the properties for your image, which you can change and customize it to your needs accordingly. So let's just go and google.com. I don't know why default it's YouTube. I just really hate it. Oh, sorry, YouTube. It's you. Yahoo. Okay, got it. Thanks. Whatever. Anyways, I'm just going to go shopping cart. Let's add that. And for the image, this is the cart and everything. I'm going to go in images, and whatever suitable, if I find something suitable, and shopping cart, okay, or something that's more like that. That looks nice. We can select an image, and what we have to do is right click and copy image address. This is the one you're going to do. Copy image address, and you are just going to go in the file source, and simple. What you're going to do is just copy paste it, copy paste it, and there you go. That's it. That's more visible and more clear. That looks better. Okay. So this is actually shopping websites and the image. Now we have buttons. So this way we got an image, and now we want some buttons. So we need four buttons, like one, two. Let's just place them and then align later, and four. Okay. So we're going to align them properly. And where's the other one? Come here. Oops. Come here. Alright, so we have four buttons. One by one, we are going to change the names of the buttons, so it will be easy for us. Number one would be Amazon, and okay, Okay, what did I do just there? Oh, I changed the name for a screen. Okay, see, I needed to choose the button. Now we are on the page, button one. And we're going to change the name of the button one. Yes. And that button one is Amazon. Over here we are going to add text Amazon, Amazon, and that's better. Okay. See, it's showing now. We can change the color again, make it something like black. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. So the font size background color is black. It's better. Okay, and do it for the other one as well. Make it black and change, rename it Flipkart and make it Flipkart here. Okay, there we go. Or the black doesn't look good. Make it something. Let's go back to Amazon. Ah, that's better. Black was too blackish. Okay, now let's move on to next button 3 and change our name over here. And button 3 will be our AGO, right? AGO is also a website for shopping, and here is the AGO. Let's just change again. What was it? Upper colon, right? And the last one is button 4. Button 4, please. Yes. And that would be our mantra. Okay. Let's go to mantra. Okay. Mantra. Alright. And let's just change the color to purple. Okay. So this is our basic designing for our application has been done. We are done with our designing. Now what we have to do is go into the blocks area, and one by one we are going to code our, what do you call, game. That's okay. So the first thing that we are going to do, if you see all these, right, you're going to click any one of them. Though the okay, we did that too. Oh, yeah, there you go. In the components, in the user interface components, you're going to click on one of these, and you're going to select this one and drag and drop. When Amazon clicks, okay, what it will do when it clicks on the Amazon button, okay, Amazon is a button over here. We are going to command from our logic side. All these blocks are codings actually. This is the core of the core application. These are codings which you can add, and there are in the, see, drag and drop. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to write any commands to give any command or anything. They're already pre-built and you can use it, easily use them. So we are going to use this one from the speech, and when it says, it said redirecting to Amazon, right? It said that, and in the language English. So this is what it said when we clicked on the link, remember? Next, what we are going to do is going to add a link. How we are going to add a link is that we are going to go in control, and the last thing would be open link. Okay. And we are just going to go in Amazon on Amazon.com. That's how you're going to add. Though you don't have to do that. Just copy paste it. and just do that. See, and let's preview it in the design. If we play test run,
Redirecting to Amazon.
see, a success. Just few blocks of coding, nothing more, nothing much, and it worked. So let's go back to editing. There you go. You can either duplicate these and change from here and change the link. Oh, don't change this. Just change the link. So I can do that, but I am just making sure that you see this the link that's opening. Okay, so I can enter it directly over here. I don't have to do that, but I can still for you to show you I'm doing that, and you can do that. Either you can go over here like this, and you can drag and drop. But it's much convenience when you're using the same coding for each of that same blocks. So you can just copy paste it, duplicate it, right, and select it from here. With AGO, you're going to write AGO. So let's go to AGO website. Since the link is that same, but I'm going to show you that it's going on the right one. AGO takes time to upload, to load actually, not upload. I don't know why. It's very slow. Their server is slow. Amazon is really quick. Flipkart is fast. AGO takes time. They were really bad too. Okay, anyways. Okay, and the last one is duplicate it again, and we are going to place it right here. And let's go for Minecraft. Just remove this one and open Minecraft. Okay, and over here, see, has opened for Minecraft. It's the correct link. So you just check, and there you go. All these are safe. You can delete it one if you have a wrong coding. You can maximize, minimize. You can use these options if you need it. Okay. All right. So this was the basic thing, and let's just go back into our. You can just play simple. Uh, we tried these. Let's do them.
Redirecting to Amazon.
Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to change that. Yeah. See what I did over here? I didn't change the names over here. Amazon, Amazon. No, it's not Amazon. See the basic mistake I did over here? I didn't even focus. Okay, Flipkart. Yeah, we have make sure you change it. Okay, I forgot to do that. AGO. I only added the links. It should say where it's redirecting it to. Okay, and that would be my job. Now it's better. Let's go back to our web review. I don't know why it's showing that. Anyways,
Redirecting to Flipkart.
yeah, that's better. Um,
Redirecting to AGO.
See, AGO loads a little slower. It's not very fast. Anyways, and Mintra.
Redirecting to Mintra.
That's Mintra. Okay. So there you go. It was an easy project, wasn't it? hmm It was, right? A very simple coding, a very simple designing, nothing much more, and the children can try of any age. And this is how they can, make their own applications on Thunkable and they can upload it either on Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, and they can enjoy sharing it with other people in the world. They can tell everyone that they made this. So if you have great ideas, explore this Thunkable and enjoy making applications. And you can watch more tutorials. I will be uploading tutorials on different languages of computer and platforms and stuff like that. But after so many Scratch projects, I thought of keep bringing a change. I was recording in the last few days a different tutorial of Scratch. I did record and it's saved, but I said let's just do something else for now. Let's just open Thunkable and make some project on it, and later on we'll be uploading that tutorial which I made it already for the Scratch, about the Scratch, another Scratch project. It was an interesting one. I'll be sharing that too. The recording is done for that, and but go ahead and try this first, okay? I hope you're enjoying my little tutorials. And if I'm not that very clear in my voice, it's because I'm not speaking that loud. I hope my voice is better and it's understandable. And the tutorials are easy to understand and not very cluttered, so it confusing or something. If you have any questions, anything, just comment below and like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next videos. Till then, bye.